Special Restored Republic via a GCR report as of Thursday 26 August 2021. Compiled by Judy Byington, MSW, LCSW, therapist Rhett, journalist, author, 22 Faces. Inside the Extraordinary Life of Jenny Hill and Her 22 Multiple Personalities. Don't expect yourself to be perfect while traveling through this journey of life. God is aware that you are not perfect and bound to make mistakes. So would your fellow human beings around you. Forgive them. Forgive yourself. Achieving success is not about the result, it is about the process. Fall in love with commitment to the process and let the results take care of themselves. It's all about the joy in the journey. Keep the faith. Keep praying. Keep working. Don't give up. Don't ever give up. We're gonna bring our country back. We made America great and we're gonna make it great again and again. Just keep fighting. Keep your spirit going. Right now the spirit of this cause is greater than I've ever seen it. We will end up doing some incredible things in the not-too-distant future. We'll save our country. Never give up, ever. President Trump. Judy note. No one outside of the RV committee knew the exact timing for Tier 4B, us, the Internet group, to receive our appointments to exchange, redeem, and that timing was known to change on a daily, even hourly basis, depending on world events, the most likely related to Biden's resignation. Rumor was that when Biden was removed, Kamala Harris, for various reasons, would not qualify to be president, and by then Pelosi would have resigned for her criminal activities, see below article. Therefore Speaker of the House Chuck Grassley could be installed and he in turn, would pass on the U.S. presidency mantle to the military. Such could happen in a matter of days from now, on Thursday 26 August. Two sources who held bonds and had close connections to the Chinese elders and the Rodriguez Trust reported that the can has been kicked down the road to wed. 1 September. Keep in mind that release of monies for the bonds won't necessarily go at the same time as Tier 4B notification. It was also reported that 10 days ago the U.S. Treasury bought all the bonds, though have not yet released the payments, which was 1% of the total. Monday 16 August. At 6 a.m. Iraqi dinar new rate official. $3.85 in country and $19.80 international. Saturday 21 August. RV codes were entered into the system. Tuesday. 24 August. At 3:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, new currency rates and procedures were locked into the system. Currency test exchanges, dinar only, began at various banks across the country. WED. 25 August. Was the World Court mandate deadline for start of Nasara, Gesera. Finishing mass arrests of cabal. Solving restored republic and RV issues. U.S. transition to constitutional law. Gold standard online, plus the new U.S. note liquid. Whether or not this happened we do not know. The real news for Thursday 26 August, JFK's grandkids sing timber. This link below is the beginning of a multi-part series arguing that separate factions of the deep state are at war, and the Kennedys might have been caught in DS mass-producing adreno off the coast of West Africa on dead ships, floating ports. Shell has a 268 km pipeline F-39 that is exactly where our 3 Puma ships are located that run to a floating offshore terminal. Is Shell literally a shell company? Are they using a designated underwater pipeline for sending adrenochrome to another pickup location? Mr. Musk this morning. Why must beekeepers fight? Durham, Haiti, Red 2, military. Keystone disinfo plus distractions are necessary. What else is necessary? Scare event necessary. Whip told us Afghanistan, Arizona, etc. are all distractions. That's for the sleepy. Our eyes should be on 3GD and Defcon 1. Gematria is lining up a disaster from the sky. Odin and Raj, World War III, destruction of Jerusalem, ascended. Afghanistan. Tunnels bombed by U.S. in Afghanistan were built by the CIA. New York Times. Kabul. Just in. Large explosion at Abbey Gate at the #Kabul airport, according to the Pentagon. Russia. Wildfires near Russia's nuclear research center spark state of emergency, the Moscow Times. France. Close everything and we'll take to the streets. Last evening as terraced restaurants required Macron's COVID passports. The people brought their own picnics to the streets. Restaurants empty, street filled with free and happy families dining together. B. McDonald's chain closing globally. Human meat. Body parts found in food. Since 2015 children's teeth have been found in McDonald's sausages, potatoes and pancakes in various Japanese cities. In 2020 a rabbi reported that McDonald's was using human parts in their beef, making one wonder if there was another reason besides COVID for the rash of McDonald's closures in Walmart stores across the nation and globe. McDonald's was owned by the Khazarian Mafia, which was known by satanic ritual abuse survivors to be high rollers in the Illuminati, members of whom have been reported to practice human sacrifice to their god Satan, mainly of innocent children. On the below video a rabbi claimed human child meat was sold to fast food outlets and McDonald's was the #1 buyer. This has been verified by satanic ritual abuse survivors I have personally spoken. In 2015 Kusakuro Hokkaido children's teeth were found in McDonald's hamburgers. In 2015 Kawachi Nagano Osaka children's teeth were found in hash potatoes. In 2018 Kanazawa Ishikawa kids' teeth were found in a sausage muffin. At the time McDonald's Japan held press conferences, though did not mention the causes of the human remains that were traced to children's teeth. They said the meat came from their headquarters in the U.S. and even tried to shift responsibility onto their customers. Recently many McDonald's restaurants across the world have been shut down since COVID. New York City, Kuta Bali, Victoria, South Australia. Recently McDonald's ran out of milkshakes in England, Scotland and Wales. It was planned that the entire McDonald's network of franchises would be closed in the near future. CNBC has reported that McDonald's will close hundreds of locations in Walmart stores, as the pandemic changed shopping habits. See. Progress Update 26 August 2021. For FWC, by Peter B. Meyer. We are living in a time that is out of sync with reality. Do not be confused by it. The underlying basic patterns are gaining necessary strength at the divinely determined rate. The deep state has almost shut down. They are in total panic now, trying to hold on to any semblance of control they think they have left. They had not counted on the awakening of the people, and they had not counted on us going after them. We, the Patriots, are taking back our control on many levels. They are no match for all of us together, awakened and united against them. Together we are able to free planet Earth from the evil that has plundered us for centuries. The current state of affairs, concerning human greatness, the murder and rebirth of the spirit of man, in his struggle to rid the world of her enemies, which include the Illuminati, the Vatican, the Freemasons, the Jesuits, the Knights of Malta, the City of London, Washington, D.C., the UN in New York, the Rothschilds, Queen Elizabeth, Queen Beatrix, King Philip of Spain, and all the grand and central banks. A trigger has been set that will collapse the stock market and introduce the new global financial QFS system with gold, asset-backed currencies. This trigger is set to go off once the cabal is completely neutralized. This act counters the central banking system, the Federal Reserve Bank, the IRS and USA, Inc., which are the deep state Khazarian shadow government etc. This Friday. The storm is supposed to begin and last from August 27 to September 11, the 20th anniversary of the destruction of the Twin Tower, 9/11. GESARA is activated, designed to remove poverty and all its consequent ills on Earth. During this transition phase, further completion of mass arrests of cabal agents, Introduction of Restored Republic and RV. Transition to constitutional law. Introduction Gold Standard via QFS. Everyone should prepare with at least 3 weeks of food supplies as shortages may occur. The storm has all indications to be a fake nuclear standoff between the US and Russia, complicated by the Chinese Communist Party, Iran and Israel's hacking of nuclear reactors worldwide. These can be seen as biblical events with fake nuclear weapons and cyberattacks to make it look like the beginning of World War III. In reality, this gives the alliance the opportunity to activate the military worldwide and implement a form of martial law to bring down the Cabal Illuminati in the largest global military operation in history. During martial law, Satan-worshipping child-sacrificing world elites are arrested and their 34 satanic empty landmarks worldwide destroyed, including the Vatican, the White House, Washington, D.C., including the Washington Monument, the Getty Museum, Buckingham Palace, China's Three Gorges Dam, royal castles, the CIA headquarters at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland, a vast network of underground tunnels for the Satan-worshipping world elite containing their network of child traffickers, CIA mind control laboratories, adrenochrome production, organ harvesting and Bitcoin production facilities. 10 days of darkness. This blackout would occur worldwide for a short time before the transition to Tesla-free energy. While mass arrests continue, Project Veritas will take down the MSM satellites while the new Starlink system with EBS takes over to broadcast 7 presidential messages for 3 days and 8 hours of educational videos 24/7 for 10 days each. Martial law will be in place until the various countries are able to hold free, transparent and instantaneous elections using their mobile phones and computers, along with the quantum computer, have established to appoint governments based on concepts from the original constitution. D. International Bar Association. Who protects the pharmaceutical companies? Who protects the corrupt politicians? Who protects the tech giants? Who protects the deep state cabal elites in every country around the planet? Lawyers. These International Bar Association lawyers work for and were created by foreign entities of the Roman, Vatican Empire, in collusion with the Pope, the Queen and Henry VIII. In the United States Corporation in the 1800s crafted the new branch off the bar, British Accredited Registry, and created ABA, American Bar Association. Both associations are controlled by foreign entities and the rules of civil procedure was written by old Roman laws that are still used to this day and do not apply to we the people. The illegal practices of all judges, lawyers and those who enforce the illegal procedures of the null and void dead corporation entities Vatican, Royal Crown, U.S. Corporation, are and will be subject to arrest for crimes against humanity and punished under all rightful laws of coercion and unlawful actions. Military courts therefore also have fullrights to enact military tribunals of foreign occupied agents and their corporate powers and all counterparts, and all courts are corrupted. Every person that is part of the bar are foreign entities that are trespassing on human rights. These bar associates, society, corporations have been working under massive fraud, under the cover of law for a long time throughout the world in every country. They protect fraud elections, illegal practices by politicians, corporations, tech giants, pharmaceutical companies and elites that run the International Bar Association worldwide. The bar is about to be taken down worldwide. The enormous fraud is about to be revealed. Military is the only way. Don't be afraid when a military government is installed. They will in that moment reinstall rightful leaders and lawmakers. That takes time. Reconstitution. Ride the storm. Faith. Truth being revealed. Nothing can stop what is coming. 11.3 Q.E. Possible storm events. Catastrophic events were said to about to happen, perhaps as early as this Friday, the 27th of August, and ending 17 days later on 9/11. Food and goods shortage. Food and goods prices were going up. You were urged to stock up on at least 2 to 3 weeks of food and necessities for a shortage that may begin on Friday. the 27th of August, when U.S. truckers were slated to go on strike. Truckers around the world could be on strike by Tuesday, the 31st of August. The Chinese Communist Party has closed their shipping docks in China, and stores like Walmart and Sam's have been stocking up on supplies for the pending shortage. According to the World Health Organization, we were approaching up to 30% to 40% increase in the cost of food worldwide. Because of problems receiving inventory, Sam's and Walmart would be raising prices by 25%, especially in chicken, dairy, lunch meat and produce, the shortages of which were caused by shutdowns of meat processing plants. For months the stock market has been artificially held up and on the verge of collapse. On 1 September 2021, 7.5 million Americans would be losing their unemployment benefits. The majority of those were in arrears of car payments, leases and mortgages, with many in foreclosure. Look for a national financial crisis as those bills become due, affecting related businesses, and as the stock market officially crashes, along with loss of 95% of cryptocurrency. The storm. From all indications we were soon to experience a fake nuclear standoff between the US and Russia, complicated by the Chinese Communist Party, Iran and Israel's hacking of nuclear reactors worldwide. These would be considered biblical events with fake nukes and cyber attacks and a fake beginning of World War III. Somewhere in the middle of it all Biden would be taken out of office. In reality, such would give the alliance an opportunity to activate militaries worldwide and bring in a form of martial law to take down the cabal Illuminati in the largest global military operation in history. During martial law, Satan-worshipping, child-sacrificing global elites would be arrested and their 34 satanic empty landmarks worldwide, destroyed. We're talking the Vatican, White House X2, Washington, D.C. itself including the Washington Monument, Getty Museum and the Playboy Mansion in Los Angeles, Buckingham Palace, China's Three Gorges Dam, royal castles, the CIA headquarters at CERN on the Swiss-French border and other well-known landmarks that hid the vast network of Satan-worshipping global elite underground tunnels containing their child sex trafficking, gun and drug running network, CIA mind control laboratories, adrenochrome production. 10 days of darkness. A worldwide blackout would occur for a short amount of time in order to change over to Tesla-free energy. While mass arrests were going on, Project Veritas would bring down mass media Mossad satellites, while the new Starlink internet system would take over to broadcast 3 days of 7 presidential messages and 10 days of 24/7 8-hour educational video. Martial law would prevail until the various countries were able to have free, transparent and immediate elections using their cell phones and computers, along with the quantum computer, in order to establish governments based on concepts of the original 1776 Constitution. Whiplash 347 warning. Phones will go down. First you will get 7 presidential MSGs that go to all mobile phones worldwide before they disconnect them. This is the 7 trumpets, equals 7 kingdoms. It's for the storm. EBS is TV. Tesla-free energy blackout will be done first. Blackout necessary. This shouldn't take long. You need power for your TV emergency broadcast system and homes. Whiplash 347. The storm is almost here. Make sure you have the necessities 2 to 3 weeks worth. The military will also supply food and supplies. We are going to full global martial law. Changing over from Crown Maritime Law to 1776. Will be a transition. Castle Rock. Just about go time. On the bright side, catastrophic events that triggered martial law would see militaries of the world supplying food and necessities, while implementation of the global currency reset and NESARA, GESARA, plus the Project Odin switch to Tesla-free energy was expected to bring prices down to the 1950s. F. Judy note. A Comorison 714 has published my Restored Republic update on Before It's News as their own as the author and not given me credit for writing it. This is a clear breach of my copyright and one have made a complaint to the editors of Before It's News. I don't mind people republishing my material as long as they give me credit as the author. It's against the law and I have the right to pursue legal action if not corrected. H. Protocols for Tier 4B exchanges, redemption. Chase, Bank of America and Wells Fargo would be sending email notifications with the SafeLink website. Plus the SafeLink website would be published on various dinar websites. You could give this link out to others to use for their redemption, exchange. But the 800 number could only be used once. Have for your redemption, exchange 2 picture IDs, 2 bills showing your address, your exchange money organized lower to higher amounts and a 1 to 5 page summary. Include your bio and a paragraph on each of your humanitarian projects. Of your humanitarian project if you have one. If you don't have one, you could bring a list of humanitarian projects you would like to support and/or review the list of global humanitarian projects you would like to support. Go into the SafeLink website and answer questions that would prove to the Department of Defense that you were you. Once satisfied that you weren't an imposter, you would be let into your personal banking account with the new quantum financial system. Your account would show what currencies and bonds they have record of you buying, the default rate on those currencies and bonds and your account balance. If there were any missing currencies in your account, or if you gifted or received gifted currencies, you would need an appointment at a redemption center to straighten it out. If you agreed with your account balance and wanted to do your exchange at home without an appointment at a redemption center, you could do your exchange with all of the phone support you could possibly require. If you wanted to do your exchange at home, you could request that your debit card that was connected to your QFS Money account be sent to you via FedEx in 24 hours. Doing your exchange at home would likely mean you would accept the default or international rate, but this has not been verified. The new rates have been locked in and were said to be extremely high. If you didn't agree with your account balance and/or if you had ZIM, there would be a number given to you to call for an appointment at a redemption center. You could only use this number one time. If you chose to have an appointment, you would obtain your card at your appointment. When you received your card, you would have access to all monies in your personal quantum bank account. You would receive a non-disclosure agreement to sign at the same time you received your card. Texas Snake. If you know what your trust name would be and which bank you planned on exchanging with, you could get an IN under that name and take it with you so they could set up your account. On ZIM, higher rates and humanitarian projects. The higher rates would require your signing of a non-disclosure agreement, while certain currency rates do not require signing of an NDA. For higher contract rates, ask the exchange bankers for their list of Elder, UST, bank-approved domestic or international projects in order to invest some of your exchange, redemption proceeds. You could also negotiate for higher contract rates by presenting a humanitarian project idea. 3 to 5 minutes only at first APPT. Those who had ZIM and a humanitarian project would need to have an appointment at a redemption center, where you would hook up with a wealth manager. That manager would coordinate your humanitarian project with a humanitarian committee handling projects across the globe. At your appointment, you would fill out a form. They will take your currency, count it, give you rates, a receipt, a trust account, a bank account and your card. Most ZIM would be paid out in a long-term payout. If you had a large amount of currency, it would be paid out in a long-term payout. If you wanted a guaranteed income for you and your family for the rest of your life, you would want to take that long-term payout. That long-term payout included interest paid you on the money left at the bank during the long-term payout. You would choose the length of long-term payout. The better prepared you are with projects and the longer the long-term payout period, the better interest rate you could get on your ZIM. Your ZIM rate would be determined by your humanitarian project and how you were able to carry it out. Those without a humanitarian project would be offered a default rate. At your first appointment, a wealth manager would be assigned to you to help you structure your trust, legal, accounting and security team and create a framework for your money to start working for you in a way that you desire. All first redemption, exchange center meetings encompass the first project discussion, if you choose, but everything will take about 20 minutes for this first meeting. You will have project discussion at a second meeting. The higher contract rate on the ZIM could be, but did not have to be, negotiated at a second appointment with an assigned wealth manager. Once Tier 4B completes in about 10 days, you'll have full access to all of your money. Tier 4B and Tier 5, the general public were going in together. The only difference between the two groups was that you're going to a redemption center, while Tier 5 was going to a bank teller window. If someone shows up in a bank with millions of dollars of VND, etc., there would be sent to a redemption center. There's going to be a bank fee, but this can be negotiated away. As far as the rates go, the bank fee is not determined on what your currency rate is, it's over all currencies you exchange. We had heard that it was 0.25%, but you can negotiate it away. If you were in a partnership and bought currencies together, you have two options. Go together, share the meeting, sign NDAs for each other, or split your currency as you agreed and go separately for the appointment. Then, make sure you have a copy of the receipt for future needs, should it be required. This was not a taxable event. You can take family members into the redemption center. You can sit with them, and you can interpret. If you accompany your friends or family, you'll have to sign an NDA for them. You can share everything before you go in. Then you go in and sign your NDA and be quiet. Everything goes into the quantum system, whether D1, 2 or 3. D1 is government and some parts of military. Debts were owed to China. U.S. made promises, borrowed money from D1 to allow U.S. to access this money. Result was China required U.S. to pay down this debt. This is now being paid down. The Chinese mainly have control over D1 and D2, but the debt is being paid down now, and because of this Tier 4 can go in and exchange. Gifting currency was still possible. No gift letter was required and no tax would be collected. The gift letter would be required if the bills were found to have been reported. It was always best to have a gift letter. If you did not have a humanitarian project, you could choose to support projects that were provided by the United Nations. Doing so would also give you a higher rate. There has to be an announcement of USN somehow. But, even if USN isn't announced in NESARA as, this will still take place. The debt payoff is evidence that NESARA is beginning. They can partner you up with other people on your humanitarian project so that you share the cost. It's not going to be you alone. There would be a 3-day rescission period where you could ask for different rates and terms. In the first 90 days you will receive 20% of your 20% ZIM redemption. 1% will be on card at your redemption appointment. 99% would be put under a trust company. We have 90 days to change to another trust company. UBI cards would be issued to citizens of all GESARA countries with amounts dependent on people's needs. G. 22 Faces. Inside the Extraordinary Life of Jenny Hill and Her 22 Multiple Personalities, by Judy Byington, foreword by Dr. Colin A. Ross, M.D. Raw. Dr. Colin Ross, Robert David Steele. Warning. Jenny gave a graphic description about how she at the tender age of 5, was raped, tortured, forced to view a child sacrifice and save for divine intervention, was almost killed herself. Not unlike the sordid experiences of thousands of other child victims of satanic worship. Perpetrators worshipping Satan appeared to be organized from the U.S. Inc.'s CIA, Queen Elizabeth's, Illuminati banking families and Vatican's Ninth Circle child sacrifice cult on down to the Clintons, Hollywood, Pizzagate and local teenage covens. They were funded by the same cabal that ran our global monetary system. The very organization that was in the process of being brought down by activation of the global currency reset. It's no wonder that President Trump has stated, "These people are sick." The global currency reset and NESARA, GESARA was all about the children. It's not about the money. It's about the children. The thousands of malnourished and traumatized children who, in honor of Satan, were being raped and murdered so their elite perpetrators could supposedly gain power and rule the world. The first official act President Trump made the morning before he was sworn into office was to pay a visit to CIA headquarters and declare a war on an international child sex trafficking ring run by these global elites. Let us fast and pray for these millions of little ones who are right now being rescued from cabal underground tunnels across the globe, and tortured and killed by satanic covens right next door. Let us also pray for those military troops worldwide who are risking their own lives to save them. The ancient doctrine of fasting and prayer was explained here at the 10 hours 30 minutes and 32 seconds mark. Judy note. I do not now, nor have I ever, received monies for writing my updates and articles. The compensation has been in having outlets to help save the children by exposing truths about the very secretive satanic ritual abuse, pedophilia and child sacrifice that was rampant in our international society. The above was a summary of information from the Internet. It would be up to the reader to do their own research and decide whether or not it was valid. I will send the SafeLink website out when I find out what it is. Plus it will be posted on several Dinar websites. It is my understanding that by linking into the SafeLink website it will generate a non-disclosure agreement to sign in order to obtain redemption, exchange appointments. After signing that non-disclosure I will be unable to email, post or talk to anyone about the exchange process for 90 days, so I will be going silent and taking those 90 days to get my humanitarian project organized and going. This is not a goodbye. I expect to be working with many of you in the near future. I can't tell you how much I have enjoyed getting to know you. You will remain in my heart forever. A huge thank you to those dedicated and brave intel providers who wished to remain unknown. To humble Wildfire Lady who is adept at exposing the truth. To Martha who has unceasingly worked around the clock to discern what is real in the fake news. To Brad who does great research. To Bonnie B who exposes the underlying causes of what is really happening, and to Ken who uncovers almost unlimited intel on pedophilia to help us. Let us thank you that the reset has finally come to be. I wish you well in your humanitarian efforts and look forward to seeing you on the other side where together, we will make life better for all. Patience is a virtue. Having virtue is a sign of a good moral being. Good moral beings have the power to overcome evil and change the world. And, we will. Judy.